Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Sandra Sandialan Zancala. Our topic for today is about the development of irrigated agriculture in the Ilocos. The development of irrigated agriculture in the Ilocos region involves strong social bonds among the workers, with communal meals being an integral part of the workday. Each association maintains cooking utensils and supplies for its members, creating a convivial atmosphere reminiscent of a picnic. While some work, others prepare meals, creating a sense of camaraderie and relaxation during lunch break before returning to work. Ang pag-unlad ng agrikultura sa relihiyon ng Ilocos, kung saan nagpapakita ng malalim na ugnayan at samahan ng mga manggagawa, kung saan nagkakaroon sila ng salu-salong kainan sa isang bahagi ng kanilang araw-araw na paggawa. Bawat grupo ay may nagmi-maintain ng mga kagamitan sa pagluluto na kanilang ginagamit, kung saan ang kanilang salo-salo ay parang picnic style habang may ilan na nag-aayos ng pagkain at meron din silang pahinga sa panahon ng tanghalian bago bumalik sa kanilang trabaho. Non-work activities within each janjera in the Ilocos region are significant for fostering social and religious connections among members. These activities include annual celebrations such as Pamisa featuring Thanksgiving masses and communal meals to commemorate the previous year's harvest. Additionally, events like Elections Day, Liquidations Days, and meetings serve as opportunities for members to gather and interact and strengthen camaraderie. These gatherings not only facilitate social bonds but also enhance members' commitment and involvement in the association's affairs. Meron din silang tinatawag na non-work activities, kung saan nagkakaroon ang mga janjeras ng pagdiriwang tulad ng pamisa o misang pasasalamat na pinangungunahan ng pari o ministro. Nagkakaroon din sila ng handahan upang ipagdiwang kanilang ani ng nakaraang taon. Bukod dito, ang mga kaganapan tulad ng araw ng eleksyon, likidasyon at mga pagpupulong. Ito ay nagpapakita ng kanilang malakas at masayang pagsasama bilang isang grupo ng janjeras. In the development of irrigated agriculture in the Ilocos, janjeras are organized into small works units consisting of 5 or more members to facilitate task division. These units promote efficiency and camaraderie among members during work activities, depending on the task at hand. These units can operate independently or combine to tackle larger tasks. This internal structure enhances the effectiveness and flexibility of the workforce in managing various aspects of irrigation and agricultural activities. Sa pag-unlad ng irigasyon agrikultura sa Ilocos, ang mga janjera ay inuorganisa sa mga maliit na unit ng paggawa na binubuo ng 5 o higit pang mga miyembro. Upang mapadali ang paghahati ng gawain, ang mga unit na ito ay nagtataguyod ng kahusayan at pakikisama sa pagitan ng mga miyembro sa panahon ng mga gawain. Depende sa gawain na ibinigay sa kanila. Ang mga unit na ito ay maaaring kumilos or independent o magkaisa upang harapin ang mas malalaking gawain. The janjeras maximize the use of local materials for construction and improvement work, utilizing bamboo, folies, banana leaves, rocks, and sand for brush dams along rivers in Ilocos Norte. Canal reinforcement, gates, and other water convenience structures are also built with similar materials. These improvisations allow the janjeras to rely on their own resources and remain independent of external support. They can swiftly address technical issues or difficulties with their irrigation system. without relying on public irrigation authorities, a contrast to other organization experiences.